Hey guys, you guys ready to learn some French with me? Let's do it. Pick up that luggage full of knowledge and let's just pour it into our brains so we can sound French.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit. Good night. Bonne nuit. Alright, moving on.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Let's click on that. It's purple.
Beaucoup.
Thank you very much. A lot. Really. Thank you, really. How do you say good night is bonne nuit?
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit. Is that loud?
À demain, Marie.
À demain, Marie. À demain is tomorrow, right? Hey, there I go.
Demain.
Let me cheat. See you tomorrow. À demain, Marie. So, see you tomorrow, Mary. À demain, Mary. That's useful.
Salut. Bonne journée.
Salut. Bonne journée. Salut is hello or goodbye. I don't know what she's trying to say.
Salut.
Hi or bye. Bonne journée is have a good day.
Journée.
I would say it wants me to say bye because it's capital. So bye. Have a day good. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. À demain.
À demain.
À demain. These are important phrases that we're learning here.
Au revoir, bonne soirée.
Au revoir. Bonne soirée. Goodbye. Good evening. What? Goodbye. Good evening.
Soirée.
Have a good evening. Oh. See you later. Have a good evening. Okay. Have a good evening. Au revoir. Bonne soirée. Soirée.
Bonne soirée.
Bonne soirée. Soirée. There's almost like a W.
Bonne soirée.
Bonne soirée. Okay. Bonne soirée.
Soirée.
Soirée. I like it. Oh, cheval. No, horse. What is this? Oh, merci beaucoup,
Merci.
Marc. Merci beaucoup, Marc.
Où.
Oh. Ooh.
Où.
Ooh. Is that water? Oh, low. I don't know. Find out next time, I guess. Chien is dog. Girl
Chien.
is fille.
Fille.
Horse is cheval.
Cheval.
Chien.
Chat.
Beaucoup.
Beaucoup.
Beaucoup. Why don't they say the P? It's a waste of an alphabet letter. What?
Un.
Eh. Eh?
Un.
What is the point of it? I guess I'm recognizing the sound that goes with these words. Okay. It just feels kind of like a waste of time, but...
Un.
Okay. I don't know. Maybe it'll come in useful one day when I'm reading or something. Bonne journée.
Journée.
Duo. Bonne journée, duo? Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit.
Journée.
He's sleeping. Ha ha. Bonne nuit, duo. Bye. See you tomorrow. So, à demain. No, salut. À
Salut. Demain.
Salut. À demain. Bye. Good night. Salut.
Salut. Nuit.
Bonne nuit. Perfecta. Perfecta. Ta-da! Oh, that sound is just so satisfying. Oh. I like to do 2 lessons because, like, one lesson is just too fast. 5 minutes. How long do I gotta watch this thing? Oh, thank God there's no sound. Those commercials, these 4 little speakers on this old tablet feel like they're just about to pass out and just never wake up again. Moving on. If they gave me an entire year for like $10 or something, I might do that. Just so I can avoid all the irritating commercials while I'm making these videos. I wonder how long it would take to do this entire course. Look how far down it goes. That is a lot of free lessons, man. It just keeps going. 7, 8, 10. Wow. I wonder how long it'll take us to do this. I might be making half-hour videos later on. We'll see. We'll see if people really enjoy this or not. But we're going to do another video. Or another lesson in this video is what I meant to say. Start the challenge. Come on, bring it on, man. You know I like that. You know I like it like that. Bring on the challenge. Hardest exercises from level 0. Ooh.
Salut, à bientôt.
Salut, salut, salut. À bientôt. Bye. À bientôt. Have a good evening. À bientôt is see you soon. See you soon. I'm learning, man. I'm learning.
Bonne soirée.
Bonne soirée.
Soirée.
Have a good evening, man. Have a good evening.
Bonne journée.
Bonne journée is good day. Have a good day. I always look for the capital. Because that's going to be the first word in the sentence.
Salut, bonne journée.
Salut. Bonne journée.
Journée.
Bye. Or hi. Have a good day.
Au revoir, à demain.
Au revoir. À demain. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. And I cannot speak right now because it's going to wreck the recording.
Au revoir. Bonne soirée.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Bonne
soirée.
soirée.
Bonne soirée. Not bon.
Bonne soirée, Marie.
Bonne
Bonne
soirée.
soirée.
Soirée. I can't say that properly.
Soirée.
Soirée. Marie.
Marie.
Is that what she said? Bonne soirée, Marie?
Bonne soirée, Marie.
Bonne soirée.
Soirée. Marie.
Oh, it's all mixed up. Whoops.
Marie.
Messing up my stuff, man. Messing up my stuff. Bonne nuit, duo. Good night, duo bird. Okay, they're probably going to show an ad. So I'm just going to see you guys in the next video tomorrow.